Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the JanFir 4-channel 360° dash cam, a full-featured solution designed to give you complete coverage on the road. This dash cam setup includes a front camera, rear camera, and 2 side cameras, offering a true 360-degree monitoring system for your vehicle. Starting with the front camera, it records in full HD 1080p, capturing sharp details of the road ahead including signs, lane markings, and license plates. The wide-angle lens expands your field of view to help reduce blind spots, making it ideal for highway driving, urban traffic, or everyday commutes. Combined with the multi-channel setup, it acts as your first line of defense while driving. The rear camera enhances safety when reversing. It automatically activates a real-time rear view display when you shift into reverse gear, making parking easier and more precise. Beyond parking, it continuously monitors the rear for approaching vehicles. If a collision occurs, the system locks the footage to prevent overriding, ensuring critical evidence is preserved. The side cameras are rotatable up to 180 degrees, providing flexible coverage of blind spots, doors, and lanes on either side of the car. This helps capture side swipes, close passes, or unexpected events that might otherwise go unnoticed. With the front, rear, and side cameras working together, the system delivers true 360-degree protection, keeping you aware of everything around your vehicle. The dashcam is controlled via a smartphone app for both iOS and Android. You can preview live footage, download clips, or share recordings instantly. Loop recording ensures continuous recording by overriding the oldest unlocked files, while the G sensor automatically locks footage during impacts, securing evidence for accident reviews or insurance claims. For parked vehicles, the dashcam offers a 24-hour parking mode. With constant power, it records motion or impacts while your car is unattended. Infrared night vision ensures clear footage even in low light conditions, giving you around-the-clock security. Installation is straightforward with a sliding 3M mount. The mount attaches to your windshield, and the cameras are easily positioned. Power, night vision, recording, and settings are all accessible through the dashcam interface and the accompanying app, making operations simple and intuitive. In summary, the JanFir 4-channel 360° dash cam offers a comprehensive, easy-to-use solution for full vehicle monitoring. It combines high-quality recording, flexible camera placement, smart app control, and robust parking and night features, making it suitable for sedans, SUVs, and trucks alike. Whether you're looking for enhanced driving safety or reliable evidence for incidents, this dash cam system has you covered from every angle. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews.